मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से. Well, the Fevicol man is finally there and चिपक गए भैया. Totally Chulbul Pandey is in the house. Dabangg 2 has finally released, and yes, it's all about sticking it on, and he stuck it on in style. Dabangg 2 is of course walking the planet as far as the movie houses is concerned. And many people, of course, were coming out and saying, "Why, yaar, ye the one se better." And to do a one se better is a really hard thing. But this, of course, is Sonakshi Sinha and Salman Khan back in action. Remember, he's already had a hit this year, which was Ek Tha Tiger, and he's back with his own brand of Chipkale Saiya Fevicol Se. This movie, of course, has Salman in the center. Every frame that has Salman in it, of course, has catcalls that come to you when you're at the cinema hall. So he's managed to do what he did in the first part of Dabangg, and that is, of course, get you to say, "Wow, Salman Khan." As far as the movie is concerned, is there a story? Salman Khan's the story. As far as the action is concerned, is there an actor who stands out? Salman Khan stands out. The songs, the same. So where is Sonakshi Sinha? Well, she comes and goes, but the nice part, of course, about the movie is that there is a nice romance.
कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी. कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी, करते नहीं हम रेगुलर ड्यूटी.
Well, कहते हैं करते हैं अपनी मर्जी, and that is exactly what stands out in this movie. As far as Salman Khan is concerned, he's having fun, he's being himself, and that's what you see on screen. And now to talk more about the movie, both of us have also seen it. That is Lada and myself. Lada, welcome to the show. What was your first opinion on seeing Dabangg 2? How did you like the movie?
Denzel, as we were talking on the phone, in the afternoon after we both actually saw the movie, and let me tell you guys out there who are watching the show, Denzel also loved the movie. I also liked it a lot. The main reason being that, this movie actually, while it has everything that Dabangg 1 had, it actually also has a very impressive script, and I think that is really at the heart of it. I don't remember any mainstream movie that really talks about a stepson and stepfather equation in the way Dabangg 2 actually talks about. You actually have the stepson talking about, how his stepfather wooed his mother. Now, that is really unheard of in any mainstream movie, leave alone any Salman Khan movie. Then you actually have a super chemistry between Sonakshi Sinha and Salman Khan. I think I haven't seen any actress in recent times, including Kareena Kapoor's and Katrina Kaif's of the world, who have this kind of chemistry with Salman Khan. I really don't know what is there, but they have a crackling chemistry. It's there for you to really see. And
Lada, actually you're quite right. As far as the chemistry is concerned, I think that Sonakshi Sinha has better chemistry with Salman Khan than a Katrina Kaif has. Now that is saying a lot about both of them, isn't it?
Oh, absolutely, Denzel. In fact, I think Sonakshi's chemistry with any other hero that she's actually acted with is far less than compared to the ones, the films actually, Dabangg and Dabangg 2, the films that she's done with Salman Khan. I think that is really, it's just there, and I think that is really surprising. And in fact, I texted Sonakshi, after watching the film, I told her, and I'm actually saying it out right now, that she really epitomizes a typical Indian woman really well. And perhaps, it just comes completely well with Salman Khan's alpha male image, And I think that perhaps, could be an answer as to why the two actually look really remarkably good together. Apart from that, Denzel, I think, as we were basically talking about the screenplay and the script of the film, you have great comic timing, you have, some very interesting dialogues actually out there. And for example, Salman Khan tells Sonakshi that, you don't have to be my slave, you don't have to agree to everything that I'm doing. Now, Salman Khan saying that, to his wife, to his real wife, that makes a lot of difference, for the people or the fans who actually worship Salman Khan.
Well, certainly, and as far as his real wife is concerned, I like the way you said it, Lada. But well, it definitely at the end of the day is all about chemistry. My favorite dialogue from this movie, of course, is अरे क्या कहते हैं, मूंगफली से याद आया, शर्मा जी आपके बेटे कैसे, वाह वाह या मतलब खेल गए cricket and all in that. But let's talk about the movie. I'm getting carried away because, of course, this is a Salman Khan movie. And what's the movie about? It's about Salman Khan. So if you're a fan of Salman Khan, you go and watch it. So we went outside the cinema and said, let's catch up with the guys who've actually seen this movie. Yes, the voice of the people. Tan tan, Dabangg style.
Dabangg 2, so it's everything double. Item songs, Salman, muscle power, entertainment, fight, everything twice.
There is no comparison. Salman is Salman.
Salman Khan is always a Salman Khan.
It was an outstanding performance by Salman Khan. It's a great movie.
बहुत बढ़िया, amazing. Salman Khan rocks.
Dabangg rocks. Salman Khan rocks.
नहीं देखी तो कुछ नहीं देखी, यकीन कीजिए आप लोग. ट्रस्ट मी, बहुत बढ़िया, awesome.
It's a superb movie. Please go and watch it.
The film was thoroughly entertaining. Salman was too good. Like every Salman Khan fan should go and watch this movie 1,000 times. You all will not get bored.
बहुत अच्छा पिक्चर है सलमान खान फैंस के लिए. बहुत पसंद आती है, बहुत मजा आती है हम लोगों को. Every time I don't even sleep all night.
हम एक अहिंसावादी थानेदार. गोली तो छोड़िए, हम किसी को गाली तक नहीं बकते.
Salman rocks.
Family entertainment, hit film.
I think this is the best Salman Khan film I have ever seen before. Salman Khan, I think the name should be Dabangg 2, the name should be Todu Dabangg, because this is far better than what we have seen in Dabangg 1.
कहते हैं करते हैं जो मर्जी, सुनते नहीं है किसी की अर्जी, करते नहीं हम रेगुलर ड्यूटी. थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी, बजावे हाय पांडे की सीटी.
पांडे ही आया, दबंग के स्टाइल में ही आया. It's very nice. Awesome movie.
बजावे हाय पांडे की सीटी.
Very nice movie. Amazing. Salman is too good.
Salman and only Salman.
And that oops should be little like oops.
मस्त पिक्चर है और आइटम सॉन्ग तो मस्त है करीना का. गुड केमिस्ट्री.
ये तो तंदूरी मुर्गी है यार. घटका लूंगा मैं इसे अल्कोहल से.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले सलू फेविकॉल से.
तेरे फोटो को सीने में यार चिपका लूंगा मैं फेविकॉल से. फेविकॉल से.
बॉलीवुड के आईबा है. किंग है बॉलीवुड के. किंग. It was Dabangg. It was super awesome.
Talking.
थाना में बैठे ऑन ड्यूटी, बजावे हाय पांडे की सीटी.
Well, थाना में वो बैठे हैं और ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं. We're of course watching the movie and lapping up as far as Dabangg 2 is concerned. Well, हाँ बिल्कुल सीने पे लगा दिया, फोटो चिपका दिया है, and it is here to stay. Coming back to Lada, and Lada, this is a weekend and it's a big weekend. It's a festive weekend. It's a Christmas weekend. What is it looking like at the box office? What are the records telling?
You know, Denzel, we spoke to a couple of trade analysts actually, and they are looking at a first day figure of roughly around 20 to 22 crore, which is actually going to be one of the highest ever working day figures. Remember Salman Khan's Ek Tha Tiger broke the all-time record of a single day collection, but it was actually, on a festive day, which was 33 crore. Ek Tha Tiger was that. However, Dabangg 2 is likely to fare something around 20 to 22 crore. We're also looking at 80 to 100% booking actually across the multiplexes and single screens. Also, Denzel, let me quickly add that Salman Khan and his family stand to make a lot of profit on this film because they have themselves distributed this movie, and that is actually a big deal. In fact, we've come to know that Yash Raj Films office actually helped them out in securing some of an excellent theatre deals with distributors and exhibitors actually for Dabangg 2. So therein lies the actual deal that they have they have a great product. They have huge confidence about the product that they were releasing, which is why they have actually gone ahead and distributed it themselves, which also means they are going to laugh their way to the bank.
Well, certainly laughing the way to the bank, and Chulbul Pandey will be laughing the way to the bank in his style. Thank you so much, Lara. And of course, it's a long weekend, and after that is Christmas, and there'll be lots of people going not to the bank but to the box office to watch the movie. But we said, why don't we actually take a reality check? Very important. Yeah, reality check was review here. We said, let's go to the trade analysts and ask them what they think about the movie and of course how well it's going to do. Here's the phenomenon called Dabangg 2, not one but double, baby.
The first day has opened phenomenally well at many places. At some places the opening is outstanding in spite of the cold wave. You know, it's very cold in north, so Delhi, UP, Rajasthan, these places it's chilling cold. In spite of that, in the morning shows huge crowds were seen. At many places in different parts of India, the police has had to be called in to control the crowds. People are going berserk, showering coins on the screen, dancing through the entire Fevicol song. Children come up on the stage and in front of the screen they are dancing and the entire song. Now this is randomly coming, this news is randomly coming from different parts of the country. So it can't be a planned or a premeditated thing. It is crazy. Salman Khan's stardom, superstardom is almost unprecedented in recent times, and I wouldn't be surprised if the film's net collections today were to cross 20 crore, which is a record of sorts because the previous highest for a non-holiday first day is 13 or 14 crore. So it's going to outdo that by leaps and bounds. Yes, some parts of UP and other circuits in the smaller centers, the film hasn't opened too well, which is surprising. One thought that this would open very well in the single screen in the smaller centers, but contrary to popular belief, this has opened fabulously well in the big cities and not so well in the smaller centers. But in the entire scheme of things, it is the big cities which matter, not the smaller centers.
Dabangg 2 is unpretentious. What Arbaz Khan promises to give you is a takeoff from where Dabangg left, and he gives you just that, which is nice because you know, it is unpretentious. That's the best part about it. It's extremely entertaining. It's very massy, as people say. And if you're a Salman Khan fan and if you're a Dabangg brand loyalist, then you're definitely going to like the film. So I think it's going to work very well this time, because it's got everything that a Salman Khan fan would want, everything that a Dabangg fan would want. But I think what is missing is that they needed a little bit, some novelty to take it forward. Maybe there is a hint at the end of the film where they say that Chedi Singh's brother has done something, so immediately Chulbul says, "Acha jayenge udhar," kind of, you know, which means they're saying we're going to have a Dabangg 3 now. So they've already set the stage for a Dabangg 3. And if they're doing a Dabangg 3, great. So do have the ingredients from Dabangg in your Dabangg 3, but please give us a story as well.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार. You know, throughout the movie, there is very seldom when the man actually is in step with everybody else. But that doesn't matter. It's Salman Khan and he's forgiven for it. And of course, it's Dabangg time. And before it hit the cinema halls, there was big premiere where lots of biggies from Bollywood came in. Of course, there was Amir Khan and there was Karan Johar and company. Karan Johar क्या था? हाँ यार, आ जाते हैं. आजकल सब चलता है Bollywood.
बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि आप सब यहाँ पर आए हमें देखने के लिए. Thank you very much.
Dabangg Khan sure knows how to please his fans. At a special screening of his magnum opus, Salman flaunted his Chulbul moves.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
And to welcome Chulbul Pandey, B-Town's Gujarati sure showed up. From close friend Amir Khan to Karan Johar, everyone was present.
Well, his magic, yeah, Salman's magic, we all love him for that. Yeah. There's something that is, something about him that really makes us love him. And that's his quality.
I think Salman Khan ऐसे सितारे हैं जो देश भर उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. उनकी एक स्टाफ प्रेजेंस है, क्वालिटी है, and एक I think vibe है. बच्चे हो या बूढ़े हो, सब बहुत पसंद करते हैं और प्रेम करते हैं सलमान खान से. He truly is the biggest rock star this country.
The guest list also included Farhan Akhtar, Arjun Kapoor, Chitrangada Singh, Ritesh Deshmukh, Raveena Tandon, Sangeeta Bijlani, Amisha Patel and Subhash Ghai.
I'm very happy for Salman and the entire team and Arbaz, and my very best wishes to them. मेरी तरफ से पूरी शुभकामनाएं हैं दोनों को, और मेरी दुआ है कि ये फिल्म जो है बहुत ही सुपरहिट हो और सारे रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़े और हम सबको बहुत एंटरटेन करें. मेरा भी रिकॉर्ड तोड़े.
कमाल करते हो पांडे जी.
ये फिल्म की बहुत बड़ी हिट होगी और ऑफकोर्स अब्बास की पहली फिल्म है. सबसे पहले उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
मुझे कोई इसमें डाउट ही नहीं है कि ये साल की सबसे बड़ी हिट रहेगी.
I'm very excited to see Arbaz's debut film. I believe it will be an outstanding fun film. Our Dabangg franchise seems to be popular there, and I'm sure Dabangg 2 is going to be better than the first.
Chulbul Fund is back in town, so it will be a blast.
I am a Dabangg fan. That's why I'm here today.
The Khan Parivar too was in full attendance.
मेरी दिल से ये ख्वाहिश है, खुशी है क्या अरबाज भाई के लिए ये रिलीज बहुत बड़ी और अच्छी रिलीज है.
मुझे बस ये अच्छा लग रहा है कि लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. That is all I care. Whether you like Hindi more or Fevicol हो या D21 या D2, पसंद है तो that's बहुत ही excited हूँ यहाँ पर पहुँचकर और भी ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करने आए हैं. अब हमारी फैमिली से देखी है और आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, मैं आज पहली बार देख रही हूँ सबके साथ. तो मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ. रिएक्शन बहुत ही पॉजिटिव रहे हैं. अरबाज के काम के लिए, सबके काम के लिए, प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए. लोग कह रहे हैं पहले तो बेहतर है, और ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है.
Dabangg 2 is touted to be the biggest hit of the year, and well, box office is sure geared up for a bumper opening. With Noyon Jyoti in Mumbai, Entertainment Bureau headlines today.
मेरा फोटो को सीने से यार. Well, फोटो तो तुमने लगा दिया. Everything has happened. Welcome back, and we're talking about rewinding a little bit. क्या Dabangg 1 दिखाने वाले हम? नहीं, Dabangg 1 नहीं दिखाने. In fact, we're going behind the scenes to actually show you how Chulbul Fund and company actually did all the acting that has become so cool in Dabangg 2.
अक्ल के आने के लिए शक्ल के बिगड़ने का क्यों इंतजार कर रहे थे तुम? स्वागत नहीं करोगे अब हमारा?
Dabangg is as Dabangg does.
Action! क्या बात है चुलबुल सर? Talk to me, sir!
We're on the sets of Dabangg 2, and you're watching a day-by-day account of all the action that transpired on the sets of this magnum venture.
ये पहले 10 दिन का काम है. I hope आप जो देखेंगे आप इसे enjoy करेंगे.
With a director who sets the mood and showers praise on his star actor.
Fantastic shot.
वो shot ही okay. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यार. I've been on the set for the longest time, but seeing these magic words is unbelievable. It's great fun.
And an actor who lives up to all the expectations and massive hype, Dabangg is back on screen, this time with a bigger punch and in solid style. Thursday saw Helen and Salim Khan on the sets to shower their blessings on their boys, who are all set to script success at the box office yet again. And well, you know the film is going great shakes when the makers seem to be having a ball themselves. Action heats up on day 2. The brothers are joined by the youngest Khan Sohail. Arbaz dons the director's hat. He calls the shots, singing a string of praises for his hero, the goose who lays the golden eggs, the man who's his brother and partner in crime, Salman Khan.
जा रहे हैं जेल की तरफ, सब देख रहे हैं, अपने बॉस पे आप लोगों को बहुत प्राइड है। लात मारी देखा, अपना बॉस सुपर है, क्या बात है चुलबुल सर, क्या बात है, आते ही हंगामा बचा लिया। हमारे थाने से मुजरिम भाग गया।
The third day of the shoot belongs to the inspectors. It's about tiffin time conversations which turn out to be super fun. Well, just another day in the Bangland. Day 4 belongs to the smart Alec himself. It's a day with some social satire, true blue Dabang style.
सरकार की आप इतनी बात जाके दीदी की बात
Day 5, director Arbaz Khan seems to be in a happy space as all goes per plan.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ। देखिए हमारे साथ बड़े दयालु हैं।
Day 6, Salman Khan's army that looks up to him talks about the legend of Dabang.
मैं खुद इतना अच्छा एक्टर नहीं हूँ, लेकिन कोच अच्छा हूँ। Yes sir.
Day 7, actor-director, partners in crime, call the terrific duo What You May. The Khan brothers are here and they don't disappoint.
Welcome to Police Force.
Day 8 is like a breath of fresh air as the lovely Sonakshi Sinha enters the scene and lights up the space with her $1 million smile and easy charm. Dabang is smitten, but he's not the only one. Rajo's charm is infectious.
Cut. So now you're going into the frame. No, let's stay there. Make it little quick after you say. Don't go like a this thing. Say it and go matter of fact.
Shot one, take one. And action.
Day 9 is time for some fun at Vinod Khanna's expense.
Hello, कौन?
प्रजापति पांडे बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ, मेरे सपनों के देवता।
Day 10 is full of sweet surprises and one of them being the entry of Makhi's love interest Mahi Gill on the scene. Garima Purana headlines today.
वो क्या बताएं आपको भैया, फोटो तो हमने लगा दिए, पिक्चर भी देख ली, आप भी देख आइए, वीकेंड में बड़ा मजा आएगा। On that note, of course, we're gonna close the show. That's all we have for you in entertainment quarter. Just shut it down, दुकान बंद, and bye from me. God bless you all.